Tangina, bakit may fixer ng ganito? Saan kaya to pwede i-report? What's happening? Sa mga nagpa-process po ng PWD, person with disabilities, if gawa na po, deliver ko na lang po sa mga unit. Yung iba po to be followed on process pa lang po. Huh? Type of disability, psychosocial. What is psychosocial? What is a psychosocial disability? Orthopedic, that means bones, probably. Psychosocial. So there's fixers for people with disability IDs. That's a thing now. It makes sense that people would be interested in getting these PWD IDs because there are benefits to them. There's like discounts for PWDs. I know this because my mom is a PWD because she had cancer. Pangit talaga ng PWD ID ng Manila. Very prone sa fixers. Unlike sa QC ID na registered as one and system generated. Oh, this is Manila PWD IDs. It is City of Manila. And it's also just printed on paper. It will be easy to fake. Sa Antipolo din po, kahit papaano PVC yung ID sa kanila, hindi card na papel lang na madali mapeke. Kaso wala pa din QR or auto-register dun sa site pag-apply. Social PWD here. Tunay mga cards ng Manila. Problema lang binubulsa ng mga tao doon para ibenta sa labas. Oh, okay. Okay. So they sell them. And then they just put your name on it, probably. Yeah, psychosocial. What does psychosocial mean? Oh shit. It's like it heard me. Google heard me. Relating to the interrelation of social factors and individual thought and behavior. What does that mean? Psychosocial factors such as occupational stress, social support, or isolation, sleep quality, and mental health are shaped by racial, economic, and other societal structures. I wonder if I'm psychosocially uh, impaired. But damn, this is bad. This is bad. Parang nahihirapan may pag-socialize psychosocial. Vellum. I don't think vellum nga yung ano yung papel. It's like Oslo paper lang eh. We're probably leaning towards psychos, socially disabled ourselves, introverts unite. Yeah, I think I'm in that spectrum.